Driving into Spanish Lookout, guys. Made a little accident earlier, so I got to restart. I'm on the road heading to Spanish Lookout. I came across the ferry. Unfortunately, I messed up that video, so it's gonna have to be posted as two individual video. I accidentally hit the wrong button. Instead of hitting pause, I hit the other button, so it stopped the video. So it's gonna be two segments to this one. So now I'm heading into Spanish Lookout right now. It's an Amish community. They seek asylum here about 50 to 60 years back. They were uprooted from somewhere in Mexico. They weren't granted asylum, or something happened that caused them to flee and came south seeking asylum, and they were granted permission to settle here in beautiful Belize in the Cayo district area. It took a while before they found. They shopped around for a while looking for property, and it was fortunate that they ended up in the Cayo district, just north of the San Ignacio and San Ignacio town, San Ignacio and Santa Elena twin town. Come on in. Service Center, Universal Hardware. So they started off doing farming, agriculture, chicken, selling chicken, corn, beans, and from there they gradually start building wooden homes, wooden structures, selling timber, develop their community. Turn this land, got this land to, produce for them. Use the land to generate opportunity for themselves. Made this place looks gorgeous when you look at it. It's magnificent. A lot of civic pride. They take care of their community. They don't mix or mingle with the locals. We do have a few of them that they adventure into other parts of the country and go out to the community and eat lunch, and go into and experience, our culture. Vice versa, we come over here and shop, purchase from them. COVID have everything under a lock. They have their own electricity company too. They provide cable and internet. It's a nice restaurant, by the way. I believe I might come back over there and have lunch. Police station, heritage, nice. I guess they're fixing the road. They're expanding on it, building. Midwest Steel. Follow the vehicle. There's quite a bit going on here. Okay, I'll do my best to capture it. Western Dairy. Farmers Trading Center coming up on the left, and Western Dairy is on the left as well. There's some more, but traditional. Caribbean tire over both side, both right and left hand side. LP gas, by the way. Primer feed and mill. They do offer stuff for fishes and stuff. They have aquarium and stuff, all that. And they're really nice. Midway. John Deere. West Track. There. Alright guys, Midway gas station by the way too. There's some other stuff down that direction. Have a lumber yard in that direction over there. Let me get my finger up in there for you. Yeah, down that road. It's on the left. You'll make a left turn. You have two left. Not sure of the names. I'm still learning the community, by the way, because it has grown a lot since I was here. So that first left turn there you can take, and then you have to take a right. Travel down it for about maybe 5-7 minutes, and then you'll take a right, and then you'll come out, or you just go all the way down. Saw the new white road improvement. Stay on that, go down, and then you'll be on there. I think it's the it's the third left. I'm gonna go get myself some lunch. This COVID got the world in limbo. Everyone is terrified of themselves and each other. No fear, no faith in God, no confidence in themselves. Hope we can regain our composure and bounce back. People die every day. I don't mean to sound insensitive or like I don't care, but there's so much that you can do for yourself. But just focus on eating healthy and taking care of yourself, building your immune system. Exercise, get plenty of rest. I'm gonna drive in here.